How to fix your iPhone when it can't find Bluetooth device. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your iPhone isn't discovering Bluetooth device, then here is what you need to do. So start with Bluetooth settings. Open the settings app on your iPhone and simply tap on Bluetooth. Now at the bottom you should see a list of available devices under other devices. And if nothing appears, try toggling Bluetooth off and wait for a few seconds and simply turn it back on. And after that, watch for the spinning wheel at the bottom which indicates your iPhone is searching for Bluetooth device. And if your iPhone shows a device but can't connect to it, tap on the little eye icon next to the device name and then select Forget this device. And you can try reconnecting to it afterward. And if reconnecting doesn't work, you can go back to settings and from there you can simply scroll down to screen time. Now open it and then tap on content and privacy restriction. And if this is turned on, then scroll down to the Bluetooth sharing and ensure it's set to allow changes or is enabled for the app you want to use. For simplicity, you might want to turn off content and privacy restriction entirely. And if the issue still persists, you can go back to settings and tap on general. And then scroll down to transfer or reset iPhone and simply select reset. Now choose reset network settings and after that enter your passcode and confirm. And this will reset all network and Bluetooth settings to factory defaults, which often resolve bugs and glitches. And sometimes the problem isn't with your iPhone, but with the other device. For example, if you are trying to connect to a headphone, look up how to make them discoverable. And many devices requires you to press and hold a dedicated Bluetooth button or adjust their settings to enable pairing mode. And the next important thing is to make sure both your iPhone and the Bluetooth device are sufficiently charged because low battery can cause connection issues. And with that being said, finally try restarting both your iPhone and the Bluetooth device. Turn them off and wait for a few seconds and after that you can simply turn them back on before attempting to connect again. And by following these steps, you should be able to resolve most Bluetooth connection problem. And with this, if this guide helped you out, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.